Let's begin. Topic of today's discussion is muscular physiology, understanding the structure, types, and adaptive mechanisms of muscles. Muscles are essential for human body function, enabling movement, stability, and posture. They consist of contractile tissues that coordinate with the skeletal system for various motions. Three primary muscle types exist: skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. Skeletal muscles, connected to bones by tendons, facilitate voluntary movements like walking and lifting. Smooth muscles are found in organ and blood vessel walls, controlling involuntary actions such as digestion. Cardiac muscles, exclusive to the heart, contract to pump blood. Muscles adapt and respond to physical activity. Regular resistance training promotes muscle hypertrophy, increasing size and strength, while inactivity leads to muscle atrophy or weakening. Besides movement, muscles regulate body temperature, support joint stability, and protect organs. Motor neurons transmit signals from the brain, initiating muscle contractions and controlling their actions.